And there's 3 elements to our attract leads. It's called fill funnel, and this is where it fits. So a spear is in fill funnel of attract leads. And what spear stands for is short, personal, expects a reply.
It's anti-sales sales. It's short, it's personalized, it's casual, it's relatable, it's connection, it's conversational. Conversion happens in the conversation. And we're asking for a reply. We're showing our audience we're interested in them because we are. And we're showing our audience we care about them because we do. And that's the difference. Like, you're a good person. I hope that you are. You're watching this podcast. Like, show the world you're genuinely interested. Are you guys ready? Because this is the single fastest way to get new patients in the history of the planet. It is called the Spear Message. Let's check it out. Super excited for today's episode. I'm going to show you guys listening, paying attention, you're listening, you're watching. I'm going to show you the fastest way ever to get new patients into your calendar, either for you personally or for your team. It is called the Spear Message. With me, Dave McDonald.
Hey.
Head of handsomeness,
All things.
cleverness,
All things.
general managerness,
Of all things.
coachingness.
Just head of all things.
Let's talk about the spear.
Yeah, I love this. This is going to be a little bit different tonight because we are going to go exactly what it says on the tin. We're going to go fast and we're going to go effective. This is a 10-minute tactic
We're going to throw a spear, baby.
called the spear. What is spear? I'd love to know, but I'll tell you before we even do that.
It's like the sharp wooden thing, and then when you're hunting.
And it flies for the air and it pinpoints exactly where it's
That's
going to go.
exactly right.
I just want to take a second before we actually go into this because we've only got 10 minutes.
Yeah. Why would someone want to send a spear?
Yeah, well, before that, where this actually fits in.
Oh.
This actually fits in to what we call the practice acceleration method, which is 3 things about 3 things. It's the way we attract leads, it's the way we fill the books, and it's the way we scale the business.
Correct.
So this spear technique falls under the category of attract leads.
Yeah, so it's in the attract lead. If we think like we've got three main focuses. We've got attract leads, fill books and make profit, then we've got scale business. So
Correct.
The first one is, can you guys tell I'm a hand model? Yes. Not really. But maybe I could be in retirement.
And a foot model. Sneakers.
Sneaker model.
Yeah.
So it's in the first sphere.
Category. It's in the first sphere, and there's 3 elements to our attract leads. It's called fill funnel, and this is where it fits. So, so a spear is in fill funnel of attract leads, and what spear stands for is short, personal, expects a reply.
Yeah. Short, personal, expects a reply. The spear, baby.
Interesting. So,
why would you use it?
Why would we use it? For if you need a quick tool or quick technique in which to fill your books, because problems you might be facing right now is you've got empty space in your calendar. Yep. Perhaps you're not making, and as a result of that, you've obviously got money being left on the table.
Maybe your ads aren't working properly, not getting enough return from your marketing.
Correct. You just need something quick and easy to run.
So you quickly go, hey, I got this situation, got white space in my calendar, not making enough bank, and ads aren't working or whatnot. And you're like, hey, you know what, Tristan, Dave, can you pass me a spear? I'm going to throw it out there and I'm going to get a quick result. Well, they throw the spear, what happens?
Oh, well, straight to where they want to go. No, it actually works.
I would never throw a spear at you. I don't know if I should throw a virtual spear that way.
Yeah. No,
it's be politically incorrect.
So this technique actually works in people who already like, know, and trust you. In other words, they're in your world, they're in your database. They've worked with you in the past. In fact, we had this only the other day where...
Oh, we did one yesterday.
Yeah, because we had a tech issue like any other business does, where our ads weren't quite working.
Yeah, I noticed it. I was saying in yesterday's presentation to our members, like I noticed it on like late Sunday night, and today it's Thursday. So we solved the issue Wednesday morning, and we were spending we had a tech issue with ads, right? And we were spending like $3,000 a day. And nobody, I mean, we are not wasteful. And even though our ads are really spectacular, we run a very successful business. It's devastating when you're running ads and you're spending any amount, whether it's $50 a day, $100 a day, we're spending $3,000 a day. If you know it's not working because there's a tech break, and it took us 3 days to find it, and you're like, oh, we just lost all this money. It's heartbreaking.
Yes.
Right? So we're like, we're going to throw a spear out there.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to bounce back.
Well, what we also did was we realised that when we found the solution, because we have world-class individuals.
We sure do.
And Sarah...
Big shout out to Sarah Hodge, who's the queen of cleverness.
Absolutely. Well, she also said, well, guys, I fixed it. I've got a solution, but it's going to take 48 hours to optimize. Well, what do we do in 48 hours? I know what we do. We're going to send out a spear message.
Yeah,
so
spear.
Audience it's a reactivation campaign. It's to your database, to your list, and to your audience.
So what is it? It's a reactivation campaign. It's going out. It is personalized.
Yeah.
And it's expecting a reply. What does it do? When you send the spear out there, and we say what it does, what it is, what it does. We send it out by text.
Yeah.
And you can also do it via email. You can do it via DM or whatnot.
Any platform. It's any platform where you're sending a message. And the whole idea is, what does it does? Well, it grabs attention is what it does because it's short.
Correct.
It's not long-winded. It usually asks a question of some kind.
Short, personalized, expecting a reply. Yeah. So to expect a reply, you got to ask a question.
Yes. Or you're asking to take some sort of action or some sort of message back. Because remember, conversion happens in conversation. So what this does, it's a very quick tool in which to send something out to people who already like, know, and trust you, start conversations.
Yeah.
And as a result of those conversations, you can then enroll people into your clinical.
And just so you guys know, Dave is saying spear, not spare, because of the Scottish accent, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
Spear.
Spear. Britney Spears, mate.
Yes.
Spear.
Spear. So, for example, should we go for an example of a spear?
Should we?
I think.
Lucky you, let's do it.
Okay.
Hey, you've twisted my arm.
Yes.
Let's do it. All right.
So, for example...
Can I make one up?
Yes, do it.
Well, tell me what profession I am.
Oh, you are a clever physio.
Perfect.
Everywhere.
Done. I'll get into physio mode.
Yes.
All right, I'm a physio now.
Yep.
Okay. So, what sort of patients do I treat?
Oh, you treat people with lower back pain.
Oh, okay. All right, great. I'm a physio now. I treat people with back pain.
Yes.
Okay, great. Here's my spear. All right. And I'm going to send it to you, Dave.
Okay.
Okay. So I want you guys to observe this. And my message will say this. Hi, Dave. Is back pain still an issue for you? Question mark.
Ooh, I like it.
All right. So short, personalized, expecting a reply.
Yes.
Okay.
I love it.
And you can. What would you write back?
Hi, Tristan. Good to hear from you. Yes, it is.
Great. Then I use that chat flow and I go from there to book a conversation. Alternatively, what could you say?
Oh, it's
not a problem.
It's not a problem. You could say, hey, Tristan, Dave here from Amazing Physio. Are you still looking to get some help with your back?
Oh, yeah, but you might reply to me and go, my back's fine.
Right. Sorry, I was giving him another way.
That's okay. We're ad-libbing here.
Yes,
right?
yeah.
Remember, I'm a physio.
Right.
And I'll be like, treat the back pain. I'm in character. So you might say, no, my back's fine. I'll be like, awesome. I'm so glad to hear that. Just wanted to know that you're well looked after. Is there anything else I can do for you right now? Question mark.
Oh, I see what you did there.
Bam!
Clever.
Yeah, it might be. Well, actually, Tristan, I was thinking maybe I could come in and talk to you about Pilates. Or actually, I might refer you someone. Or like I'm treating Dave like a human because guess what? He'd be a human. Actually, he's like what would you say? He's like, you're not robotic, you're not an AI. He's superhuman.
Yes.
But he's impersonating a human right now because Dave's on a different level.
I like what you did.
God level.
Yeah. Well, I like what you did there because obviously, even in the moment, people actually got 3 for the price of 2 because I actually misinterpreted the angle what you said. So there's 2 points I want to share here and unpack what Tristan just did. Conversion happens in conversation.
Yes.
And Tristan very cleverly, in a very short, personalized
your cleverness
way,
is rubbing off on me, so it's like elevating the cleverness.
in a very short and personalized way, you got people in which to start a conversation. Either one, they're going to react to the pain point that they still have, or 2, they're going to say they're fine, but you responded back, was there anything else we could do to help?
Yeah.
But then also, I misinterpreted. Here's the bonus point to you. Tristan actually laid out with a pain point, which is there anything you're moving away from? Or there's also moving towards,
right?
Moving towards, which is more of a goal. Or
why don't I move toward? Give me a. What else can I be?
You can be a vet.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'll get a really.
Yes.
I'm a vet now.
You're a vet. And
does that mean but don't make me a vet that works with snakes because I'm really scared of them.
No, you're a vet that just works with everyday domestic pets.
I'm a vet that works with small dogs.
Yes.
Because I find them okay.
Yes.
I'm a very niched vet.
Yes.
Okay, don't work with cats either.
Oh.
I'm going to be very busy, but I'm going to only work with
small dogs
and they can't be too barky.
Okay.
and they need to sit on my lap. Okay, I'm there. All right, great.
Okay. So let's say, for example, you are a vet and you're working with dogs that are getting older,
Okay.
shall we say, and so it's...
The dog ears.
Yes, dog years, that's right.
Yeah.
My dog's 8, he's getting old, he's I was told by one of our vet clients, they said, Dave, you got to look after him, he's now geriatric. It's like, oh, right, my goodness, pound point.
You go,
But,
what?
And they said to me,
He's only 4 years old. Yeah, but in a dog year, it's like he's like 67 or something.
seven fours. For every
74?
For every 1 year, it's 7 years in dog life.
Ah, so he's 42. He's not old. Right. You call it old?
Yeah.
All right.
My dog's 8, so he's getting older.
So I tell you, like, if it's a vet one, obviously it's going to depend, isn't it? So, like, once again, because you go through, it might be a very specific thing. Yeah. Like, so if I'm doing a vet one, I'm going out, I'm talking about a little puppy doggy, I'd be like, I'll do a short, personalized, expecting a reply, but I do a value add.
Oh, nice.
So because the thing is, and I'll tell you guys why, it's because with an animal, they're not actually conversing out loud to the owner. So the dog isn't saying, and look, I mean, the funny thing is, like, I impersonate my dogs all the time, and I've got different voices for them as well. But I'm like making up what I think they're saying to me. But like, I don't know if my dog has back pain or teeth pain or whatnot. I don't know. So I'll reach out, and your dog is called Sam.
He is.
All right. So I'll be like, hey Dave, Tristan here from Tristan's vet surgery. Just checking in. Is there anything I can do to help with Sam right now?
Ooh, like it.
Because Dave hasn't had a conversation with Sam. You've been talking to your dog, but we've also been incepting into Sam's mind what he might be thinking. But we don't know. Like, oh, actually, yeah, I would like to come get him checked out.
Yeah, nice.
So it's like we're provoking the curiosity more.
Yeah, I like it.
So short, personalized, expecting a reply. If you were, maybe I'm a dentist. I'll be a dentist.
Yep.
Okay.
Be a dentist.
All right, great. Which I quite fancy becoming a dentist, but like, because I've got the tools in the kitchen, we joke about this. We'll do it. Can I give you a scar and clean?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. Would you like some...
Keep waiting too, please.
Damn it. I just gave away my spear. All right. So here's what I'll be doing. So let's say, for example, someone wants to move towards something. Mm-hmm. Okay. People want to move away from problem and towards goal.
Yep.
Okay. So you're a dentist. My goodness, it's just so easy being a dentist. It's just the greatest. It's the greatest. Okay. I'd be like this. Hi Dave. Tristan here from tristansdental.com. Are you still interested in teeth whitening? ?
Oh, nice.
Right.
Well, I know
the conversation starts, and we've got this full chat flow. But can I tell you why it works, Dave?
Please.
Because it's personal.
Yes.
Like, it's a conversation.
Yeah, it's not marketing, it's not selling.
Yeah, it's anti-selling, right? It's anti-sales. It's short, it's personalized, it's casual, it's relatable, it's connection, it's conversational. Conversion happens in the conversation, and we're asking for a reply.
Yep.
So it's permission-based too. So someone might go, yes. And we go, then we can take the conversation from there. But that's a topic for another episode.
I think so.
Well, they might say no. But then it's just like, hey, like I said before in the other example, hey, no problem at all. I was just thinking of you. Is there anything else I can do for you? ?
Yeah.
Like, we're just continually adding value.
That's right.
Look, we're showing our audience we're interested in them because we are.
Yes.
And we're showing our audience we care about them because we do. And that's the difference. Like, you're a good person. I hope that you are. You're watching this podcast. You're listening to this podcast, watching our show. Like, show the world you're genuinely interested.
That's right.
But use it in this tactical form, the spear. Short, personalized, expecting a reply. Any final thoughts, Dave?
No, I think what everyone should do right now is have a think. Go and take 50 people that like.
Here we go. It's a tactic for you.
Here we go. Take 50 people that like, know, and trust you. Think about either something that you can reach out to them, either one of the examples we used today, or perhaps something else, and go and take 50 people, go and send your message, go and reach out, and start filling your books right now.
How good is that?
I think so.
Absolutely love this. Guys, thank you so much for joining. Super appreciate you. Get out there, throw a spear, let us know how it goes. We want to hear about these results. Please help us out as well. Let's get this podcast into the hands and the ears and the eyes and the cars, the iPhones, the Androids of more people out there So please click like, click share, send this to somebody that you know that it will help. Thank you so much for tuning in. Super appreciate you. Bye for now. Ciao, ciao. Arrivederci. Buonasera. Bon oui.